Today we will learn the replace the word in a string. Okay, let's start. We're having one string str, okay, and in that we are having one like hello om, okay, and we want to replace this one with the ram, hello ram om, like that. Then we can type here like str1 new variable and mention here like str strings package and replace. Okay, here we can type here str comma what om replace with ram. How many times? One time only. Yeah, that's all. And after that we can type here fmt dot println for the printing purpose str1 and come in a terminal and type here like go run main.go and check. Yeah, here is coming hello ram om. If we want to the convert both this one and this one, then we can type here 2 and come again in a terminal and check go run main.go and check here like this hello ram. Yeah, this is the word to convert the replace the string words to the another words. Thanks for watching.